Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen error on the newest Indiana Jones game. This fix is the same for Steam and Game Pass, so try not to skip any steps. It's luckily quite easy. So what do? Open File Explorer, go to C, go to Users, go to whatever user you're logged in as. Here, go to Saved Games, go to Machine Games, and you'll see the great circle here. Click on this, click on Base. And here you'll see the great circle config.local. Now, what you want to do is right click on this and hit delete. Yes, delete it. And then try launching the game to see if it works. If you do launch the game, you want to go into settings and set the texture pool size to medium so it doesn't crash the next time you try launching the game. And the next thing you can try is, if that doesn't work, right click on this, hit open with Notepad, and you'll see is pool size. By default, it will be something like 3584 or some high number like that. And you want to change this number to 900 or 1000, basically a much lower number. Save this and then launch the game again and see if it works. And that is it. That should fix this issue.